Hi guys, D. Lewis here talking about Manchester United's prospective move for young Blackburn center back Phil Jones. The move was supposed to go through, the early stages of the rumors were that the move was going to go through very soon for around $16 million, and, I thought $16 million is a fair price. I know about the English player inflation, the values go way up for English players, but actually I thought $16 million was all right for Phil Jones. He plays very well. He has the versatility to play in the midfield. He's an unbelievable central defender. He's gotten praise from numerous, high-profile figures in the world of football, from all over the world, quite frankly. But he's very talented. There's really no but here. It was going to go through for $6 million or $16 million, or as we all thought. But now, things have hit a bit of a stalemate. New things coming out saying, Blackburn, $25 million. Now you're talking about a $9 million, difference. $9 million is not, it's hard to negotiate that out. So I think this could drag on for a while, but my initial reaction is this would be great for Manchester United. You already got Chris Smalling in the defense. I'm a Chelsea fan, but you got to give props. It would be a great move for them. Chris Smalling, he's tremendous. He's very talented in the back. And if you add Phil Jones, all of a sudden you have center backs for you're set. When Rio Ferdinand and Vidic inevitably move on, you can just slide in with Phil Jones and Chris Smalling. I see them as perfect replacements, for those guys. If Phil Jones comes, I think he will. I think it'll take some time because $9 million. But it looks like Manchester United are set on him, so I think they'll get him. It could be a big spending summer for Manchester United after last summer's frugal but profitable summer because they brought in Chicharito and he tripled his worth. It's unbelievable. But yeah, so good move for Manchester United if it goes through, and I definitely see this as a positive. As for Blackburn, it's always good for the mid-table clubs to get a steady cash flow. Blackburn can go out, maybe they can sign Jermaine Jones, U.S. international, on a permanent deal. I don't know. Blackburn, they have their own goals, and as we've seen in the past, they're willing to go out and get players. Remember the Ronaldinho stuff from, is that January? That was January. Remember all that stuff. So interesting. Very, very interesting. So it could be a busy summer for Manchester United and Arsenal. Don't forget Arsenal. They're revving up to sell money, but not before they might sell. Future video. But yeah, I think it's a great move. Check back later. We have another Manchester United move to talk about. Now, I can't end the video. Yes, I can. Alright, I'll just talk about a different video. You probably know there's another guy coming into Manchester United soon after his wedding. Find out who in the next video. Go to my channel. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure to comment on the video, like it, if you do like it, and favorite it, maybe. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.